We set up an initiative where we try and understand what are the leading practices in the industry. We've set up 3 teams, one on force of ground, one on noise and one on dust. And each one of those teams, they go out to the mining companies, they identify those leading practices, properly document them. And then what they actually do is they go and demonstrate them at another mine where they've not yet been adopted. And once they've ironed out all the hiccups and so on, then they go and promote it widely throughout the industry through what we call the communities of practice for adoption. And these are structures that can help the companies actually with the adoption of the leading practices. The industry does a tremendous amount of training, also in terms of health and safety, very good stuff that is happening. But the one gap that we've identified together with government and the unions is the training of people at the coalface, understanding all the risks that are in that environment and how they can actually manage it. Particularly for people with low education levels, that is a particular challenge. So what we're busy doing at the moment, and this is an initiative that is led by the Mining Qualifications Authority, of which we are a part, is that we're looking at training methods that are being used in other industries and in other countries that are quite innovative. For instance, using technologies like 3D simulations, web-based technologies and so on, through which we can train those people who don't have high education levels, but to bring them to understand the risks that are out there and how they can actually manage those risks. In terms of that initiative, we're looking at training 40,000 health and safety representatives over the next couple of years. And why we choose the health and safety representatives is because for every team that we have in the mining industry, there is one health and safety representative. So our thinking is if we can get those people properly trained, they can actually then help their fellow team members in also understanding what the risks are all about and how they can properly manage it on a day-to-day basis.